In this video, you'll learn how to get XP fast in Fall Guys. I'll cover a couple of ways that you can use to rack up XP quickly, so you can progress through the game at a faster pace. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to speed through the levels and dominate your opponents. The number one way to rack up a decent amount of XP is to always do your daily and weekly event challenges. If you complete these challenges on a daily basis, you will level up much faster than someone who simply plays the game without completing these challenges. As you can see, some quests give you over 1000 XP, and if you somehow complete a couple of these challenges for a period of time, you will gain a lot of XP. You can also check out event challenges for additional rewards. Another easy way to rack up a lot of XP is to play a lot of duos and limited time games. These will give the most XP, so make sure to take advantage of them. Another quick tip is to not exit and abandon the show after qualifying and being selected to move on to the next round. If you exit after qualifying for a round, the rounds that you should have gotten XP from will not add up to your level. So don't exit and abandon shows if you want to gain levels. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.